Hello everyone. A little bit of dryer maintenance that's very important. Being a volunteer firefighter, we do get sometimes some calls for dryer fires. And one thing you can do to prevent that is buying yourself a dryer lint brush. And pull your dryer back and clean it out, because if you notice that, that's bad news. And if the dryer possibly has a problem, lint burns very, very easily. So you want to take your brush. It's very common sense and easy. Get this clean, and also possibly use a shop vac if need be, and clean this all out. It makes your dryer work better because it's not restricted in the airflow, and it just makes it less chance of your house catching fire from a dryer fire. So this is a quick tip here on dryer maintenance, and you want to obviously keep it clean. Another case is also your dryer vent that leads to outside. You want to make sure that is clean as well. In this case, this one isn't exactly easy to get at, but it looks pretty clean. You could throw a shop vac in there as well and siphon it out. And then we're going to push the dryer back. All right, you want to push the dryer back in place. Get it lined back up. Which can be somewhat difficult. Don't forget to plug it in, because if you push it back too far, you're not going to get it back in. Like here, here's where our vent is. This can apply also to gas and propane fired ones, but you won't be plugging it in. You might want to take your brush too. Again, if I had a shop vac available at the moment, I would. Get some of this dust off the back of this. And now we should be good to push it back in, provided it is all lined up. We are set. All right. The number one thing you want to do all the time is make sure your trap filter is clean. Looking pretty good here. Every time you use a dryer, you want that done. And then you take your brush and reach down in there. You probably won't get it all. You take your brush and just give it a good back and forth, and you're going to see what comes out of there that actually gets past that filter. And again, if I had a shop vac available to me, which I'll have maybe the next time, you want to make sure that is as clean as possible. So, a little different video here, but hey, GMEC is all about maintenance and DIY. So this is very easy preventative maintenance that anyone can do. And then after you're done, of course, put your filter back in, and now you're ready to use your dryer. So again, a little bit of dryer maintenance here. Take care of your dryer. Lasts a long time. This one here is probably 40 years old. It's not mine. I'm not going to say whose it is, but it's not mine. But yeah, It's just a simple little maintenance here on a simple dryer. And add on to it that I almost forgot when I'm ending the video is you want to find your exit where your dryer vent exits outside and open up the valve, and you see all that ugliness in there. Hopefully it's showing up because it's outside here. But we're gonna do this. You want to take your brush and hopefully pull that all out, because like I said earlier, lint can burn very easily. You could even put a shop vac. This won't even work too good with a tripod. Put a shop vac in there. And clean out either. So, but anyway, want to make sure your exit where it leads outside is clean as well. So, thanks for watching. This is GMEC. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.